So I'm about to make some bone broth with chicken feet. So I wash these, soak them, manicure them, wash them, and just put a little salt brine, and we're gonna get this started. So we're going the lazy way today. I'm just gonna blend up some squash and lots of garlic. I'm using like a whole bag of garlic. And so we're gonna boil this up to give the bone broth some color, and of course the garlic for antioxidant benefits and for your immune system. Add your garlic and squash mixture from the blender into the pan with your chicken foot. Add some chicken stock. And another. Handful of fresh thyme. I love fresh thyme. So then we are going to add some of our better than bouillon, roast chicken flavor. Get that in there. We're gonna let that boil for a while. So I've been doing the low and slow with my bone broth with chicken foot, trying to rub it down to gravy. It's best to do it on a low flame and just cover it up. And you know, in Jamaica we can't have soup or broth without dumpling. That's like blasphemy. So because I want to get into Jamaica heaven, I am substituting the dumpling for some fresh corn. Because yo, if I can't have dumpling, I have to have corn in my soup. I'm depend on a detox, so no flour dumpling in my body. Scorpio season, we have to look sexy. Belly have to flat like Willie Penny. So I'm gonna rub this down now. So there you go. Here's the finished product. And I don't strain my bone broth because I'm a gangster. Who would want to strain their bone broth? I mean, really. This is delicious. Lots of fresh thyme.